Your car's air conditioner was cold in May, warm in July, and one recharge made it cold again. That feels like maintenance. It is not. Refrigerant moves through a sealed loop.
If cooling fades again, either refrigerant is leaving or the first diagnosis missed another fault. Repeating a top-off can keep charging you for temporary cold air without resolving either problem.
A recharge answers how much refrigerant is in the system after service. It does not explain why it was low. The Environmental Protection Agency describes 3 paths: topping off, evacuating and recharging, or repairing a leak and then recharging.
Only the last path addresses the source. That little gauge on a refill hose cannot tell the whole story. Low side pressure can change with outdoor temperature, condenser airflow, engine speed, and compressor operation.
It is not a direct measurement of refrigerant mass. A measured service recovers the refrigerant, records how much came out, and installs the manufacturer's specified mass. Suppose the label specifies 18 ounces, and the shop installs 18.
3 weeks later, the shop recovers 15. That 3-ounce difference supports refrigerant loss, although it does not identify the leaking component.
If the shop recovers nearly 18 ounces but the vents are warm, adding more refrigerant is not the answer. The investigation shifts toward possibilities such as condenser airflow, fan operation, compressor command, or an air mix control fault.
When loss is supported, a qualified technician may inspect service ports, hose crimps, the condenser, compressor seals, and the evaporator. An electronic leak detector or another documented test can narrow the source, and a small intermittent leak may require a follow-up inspection. The symptom pattern matters too. Cold air while moving, but warm air at a stop can steer the investigation toward airflow or fan operation. Cooling that slowly disappears over several weeks makes refrigerant loss more plausible, but neither pattern proves a component failed.
One warm side can involve an air mix door or control fault. It does not prove low charge. Ask for an invoice recording refrigerant recovered, specified charge, refrigerant type, leak test result, vent temperature, and repair estimate.
Refrigerant service uses pressurized material and recovery equipment. Do not vent or mix refrigerants. If the air becomes warm again, compare the recovered amount with the prior measured charge. Less supports a leak. Nearly the same amount points elsewhere.